I think ang critical dito is yung pagpapahayag na you would play fair. Tapos yung paggalang na we've researched the story or the issues well enough. So talaga pong gusto naming tapatan kung ano yung gusto ninyong ipahayag na informed din
Mhm.
kami. O maayos din yung aming pag-alala at pag-intindi sa mga usapin. Meron ding pasubali na parang, of course, may mga ilang interviewees na government officials na talagang no entry yung territory ng mga sensitive at confidential na mga bagay-bagay. Diba, kung Philippine National Police or Armed Forces of the Philippines or even some of the cabinet members na hindi pwede dahil wala pang desisyon. And we'd like to respect that. But of course, we try as much as possible to get into the story. Katulad nung yung Maharlika, magkakaiba yung opinion ng ilan na cabinet members. They'd rather not get into collision course with the proponents, but we know na meron silang alinlangan sa issue. So we tried to get it in a way na pasok yung context, pasok din yung unique
Mhm.
input nila.